Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I promise this is the last one. The person contacted me and wanted it to be like a rip in the paper if they were going to print this out. So I just went on Google and searched torn paper and traced it, and I could fill that in, my vector part of it. Then I could left click, right click, and I reduced it in size, but it kind of does look like torn paper. But to get some separation, there's a couple ways you need to do this. Let's say we're going to tear his head right there. We're going to go and we're going to intersect it like we did before. We nudge that over, but now this time we're going to go back minus front end. It takes that away. Then go to object and break the bitmap apart. Put this back, change your nudge factor something low, and because we broke it apart, there are 3 sections, we can move that up and this one down. Pretty cool effect. I still don't know what they're doing with it. I need to ask them, but and they're not using this person who, I feel sorry for this person. I've cut his head up a couple of times. But anyway, that to me would be like a torn paper effect. You know, you could even go further and, you know, there is a way to convert that to a bitmap and then go to effects in 3D and curl the page. You'd have to play around with the colors. But it looks like a torn edge on, of course, now it's a bitmap, so it's going to be fuzzy compared to how sharp the other part is. But anyway, I'm through with this project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.